Hi, my name's Gartner and I race in extreme two-wheel drive in off-road, class 4, 410's our number. We generally follow the Australian rounds, go as far as Hyden in Western Australia, Goondiwindi in Queensland, Mildura in New South Wales, and here at Millicent, South Australia.
Can't stop me. Don't understand, I'm not going. Stop talking.
Our bus is a Ford F-150. We built it in our own shed with an engineer friend of mine. It runs a Ford SVO full aluminium Ford engine, 640 horsepower. 8 butterfly Kingsway injection. It runs through a race-prepped automatic transmission from the States, through a 10-inch diff with 2.5-inch axles. It runs 35-inch tyres by 13.5 wide with beadlock rims on it, so the tyres stay on the rims. It's got 24 inches wheel travel at the front, 30 inches of wheel travel at the rear. Generally it's good for 210 kilometres an hour. We can average speeds of anything from 60 to 200. I've got a lot of people to thank in this truck. Thornbuild Engineering, which helped me build this car. Craig Harrison Race Engines, which he's built the 640 horsepower engine. Carrie Jennings Auto Electrical in Mount Gambier. And a lot of little sponsors, KPA, and all sorts of other ones that help us along the way.